Hey everybody, Pat here with Tractor Tools Direct, and I'm excited to be standing here in our warehouse with Tony Ashwill. Tony is the founder of Ai2 Products.
Yes.
And Tractor Tools and Ai2 are combining forces
Yes,
to provide the world with the best attachments for Kubota BX tractors, and in the future, hopefully lots of other tractor models as well. And so, Tony, welcome to Indiana.
Thank you very much.
Tony's been here this week, training our staff, getting us up to speed, and overseeing the beginning of production, which is starting here in our city. And we just came back from talking with the manufacturer and checking over their work.
Yep. Great,
And
nice shop, great guys. So.
everything is looking super. So thank you for being here, Tony.
Well, thanks, Pat.
On behalf of the staff, I think everybody learned a lot this week.
Yeah, it's been a pretty cool week. I mean, luckily you actually have a pretty good group of people that work for you, so that helps.
Yeah.
And everybody's eager to learn, and I think this is gonna help take AI2 to the next level that I just personally have not been able to do, because I've been running it as a one-man show up until Pat and I got together. So I found where my limitations were, let's say that. And now I can kind of hand the baton off to you guys to take over sales and production. Not that I'm going anywhere, because product development is now where I'm going to slide back into.
Yeah. And as of right now, when you call that number that's on the Ai2 website, you're still getting Tony.
Yeah.
And as we get our customer service people up to speed, you'll be talking with them as well. So one of the cool things that we got to do while he was here this week was take our old Kubota BX 2350 and add all the cool new stuff to it.
Right.
So we did put the quick hitch on this tractor, which you can't see right now, but it's back here. We put the tooth bar on the bucket.
We did it the old school way, because this one, as long as we're on that subject, this being it's a Gen 2 machine, you do have to drill the holes in the bucket.
So we did drill the holes. We added tie downs on the tractor.
The rear hitch.
Rear hitch. So yeah, and Tony and I are both I think our gears are turning, thinking about what else we can start to produce that you all might want for your compact tractors. So if you're watching this video on YouTube or one of the social media platforms, comment, tell us what you want us to build, and we'll definitely consider it.
Exactly. We do have a good list going right now.
Yeah.
And we're going to start, because that's something that I've just not been able to do for 3 to 4 years. I get asked all the time, when's the next new gadget coming out? And I'm like, I just don't have time. I can't build it. So now this is going to happen. So
yeah, it's exciting. Everybody here at Tractor Tools Direct is really excited to get going on it, and the guys are getting up to speed so that they'll be able to support you when you make the purchase. And you'll be able to make all those purchases right through our website, just a seamless process. The quick hitches will ship UPS most likely, and they'll come right to your door. The bigger implements will ship on a pallet. But we pride ourselves in having very affordable shipping prices, so we're going to get these products to you. So with that, I think that's it for today, Tony. Thanks for coming to Indiana.
Thank you much.
It's been a great week, and I look forward to working with you.
Yes, I think it's going to be great.